The advantages and disadvantages to black kitchen appliances. Dear friends, black stainless steel appliances have been on trend for quite some time now. It has a timeless appeal that holds up well with various different kitchens. Like any other trend, there are pros and cons for this kitchen design choice. Here's what you should know before you invest in one. Advantages of black kitchen appliances. Black is a universal color that works well with many different styles. It's nearly trend-proof as it can be the prominent statement color or a background color. Black matches with all other shades and works especially well with warm and cool neutrals. It fits with gray, brown, white, beige and navy. A black appliance is nearly smudge-proof thanks to its color. A matte sheen can hide most fingerprints and even smoke damage. A metallic finish stainless steel requires special cleaners. Since black appliances are coated, they can be cleaned with warm water and a soft rag or non-abrasive cleaners. Disadvantages of black kitchen appliances. Not all appliances are the same black. Different manufacturers use different shades or sheens which can cause a clash in a kitchen. Two differing appliance shades can be more noticeable than a completely different color. A stainless steel appliance is a solid surface, meaning a scratch will reveal the same material underneath. Since black stainless steel is coated, a scratch will show the material underneath. This will be very obvious since the surface underneath will be a shiny steel. A lighter colored smudge or mark will easily show against the dark surface, meaning regular maintenance is necessary. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.